Well, the main important message is I say that we are in Goma. Being in Goma today is the result of struggle. And our struggle is indeed as a reason. We are people determined and engaged to move forward. And they say we are in Goma. We find a lot of emergency problems, like water, lack of water, electricity, communication, they cut everything. But also we found a situation when it is like when we reach after the war, it means you have whatever is not needed to be seen. And this emergency we are dealing with now, and we have started stabilizing the situation. Our struggle as an objective. Our objective is to go to Kinshasa because we have a vision for the people of DRC. Looking at the way that the insecurity has eastern part of Congo, we have to sort it out. And what is the reason of the insecurity? The first reason is the failure of states in DRC. It's a failure of state that is putting all the people to come in DRC, the negative forces like ADF, like the FDLR, and they are now a threat against our neighbors, but also a threat against our population.
Yes, oli ku Yugi Update TV kosinzira okuba ng'otuuliza gwe mukwano gwange webale kubaayo nnyo webale kuteekayo mwoyo n'oba nga obeerako gwe mukwano gwange ngwe nagambye agala tweyungako kirira wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe kikooneko ojja kuba ng'osobola bulungi nnyo otweyungako. Omukulu omu ku bakulira akabinja ka M23 agamba nti nno bo missoni yaabwe oba kari kwegamba enteekateeka zaabwe zonna zaali za kuwamba kibuga Goma era bakirimu era baliwo okusigala. Timbasuubira nti nno bagenda tuuka ekiseera batenguwalirwe balekulire ekifo ekyo gwe mukwano gwange ali eyampuliriza.